Psst, come closer. Psst. Okay, you can't actually move, so I'm gonna come closer to you. You see this ring right here? It looks like an ordinary ring, but if you can see really closely, you can see some cool things inside. So today I'm gonna show you why this ring is important and why you need to get it as soon as possible. So this ring has features that you actually have probably never seen and you probably don't know about. One of the cool things is, you're gonna need your phone for this. If y'all can see right here, my phone's unlocked. But if I just touch my ring to here, then you can see something pops up. So I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see it. So you can see this popped up. So I'll do it again, close up. This is me touching the ring to my phone. So it pops up and look what it does. So over here, you just open it up. If it gives it a second, it takes a little bit of time. And now you can see all my links pop up. Pretty cool, eh? This is why this ring's really, now you can see why this ring is important. So some people have business cards. There's I think an e-nail even where like you can do the same thing with a nail for women, or keychains and other stuff. I personally like the ring because it's a cool accessory and it looks good for men as well. But the best thing is you always have a business card on hand, literally. So this is really cool because let's say you have a business card that you want to carry. You don't have to carry these anymore, or you can have these. How you can have this as an alternative, because everyone does stuff on their phones now. Everyone wants touchless and tap and all that. This is the next best thing. Now I'm telling you right now, this ring was not expensive at all. Well, this ring was like $2 Canadian, and that's really cheap. So you'll see other places selling for a lot more, maybe less, plus or minus. So I've got 2 of these rings, and I like this one the most because it actually worked first. The other one I'm still testing, but it was just a black ring with a diamond in the front. I like this one as well, and you can kind of see the inner workings, the chips and all that. But the coolest part is, all you have to do is touch it to people's phones and it'll open up and you can share whatever link you want. Now, the thing is, when you first get this ring, you're not gonna have any real way to put anything on the ring. Like you have to actually load stuff onto it to make sure that you have the tap enabled and it does something. So come and show you over there too. We have this app over here. This app, NFC Tools. It's kind of backwards in the screen, but I'll put it on screen maybe and you'll be able to see it. So this app, if you open it, you can do a bunch of things. So now you'll see there's a couple of functions. There's read over here, which means it'll actually, like, if you tap something on it, it'll read it. Now write is what you want, so you can go add something. So now if you want to add something, now you can do it. So this app's completely free. So you can add a URL, which is what I did for that link that I just showed you. You can add a bunch of things. You can add a video, you can add SMS, you can add whatever you want, even location, and even Bitcoin and Bluetooth. So there's a bunch of different options you could do, and all you have to do is just click it and it'll do it. There's other options where you can do it too, and then there's tasks, which I mean you could probably just program it. Now I'm telling you, I use the write function the most because you can put whatever you want in it. You can put a text, you can put location, whatever you want. And now having all this be free except the ring itself is really useful, because let's say you're going up to someone in a networking event or at a concert or something where you just want to show people and you don't want to carry a bunch of business cards because it can go everywhere. You have to carry it, you have to account for the space and like the weight and all that. It's not practical. It's like your business card on your hand the entire time. So it's really useful, and for my knowledge, it's pretty durable. Like, it's made like any other ring. Maybe the plastic or something, whatever's here, is a little bit delicate, but I mean, you take care of anything, it'll last. So this is something really cool to invest in, and granted not investing that much anyway, and it'll have a lot of impact on what you can do, and it'll just have something that'll always live on your hand. So I've discovered this recently, and I'm going to be using it for all my events and wearing it all there. So I highly recommend getting this because you'll have a lot of use out of it for whatever you want. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more future videos and future gadgets that I find, because there's some crazy stuff that I find all the time. And I hope if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, follow me somewhere over here. It'll pop up somewhere on screen, and I'd love to interact with some of you. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.